is Red Feather from Grepax. As you can see, we are using version 19.12.3 of Kdenlive. In this video, we are going to show you how to place Kdenlive wipes on multiple video tracks and have them operate as one wipe. Once you have your tracks set up and placed your wipes, highlight one of the wipes so as to bring up its properties window. In order to change the wipe method in the Kdenlive properties window, click the name of the wipe method. A drop-down menu of the wipe methods will appear. Choose the one you would like. Highlight the next wipe so as its properties window appears. Then click the wipe method drop-down list, choosing the same wipe method you just chose. Once this is done in Kdenlive, highlight the first wipe in the properties window, go to composition track, click the drop-down menu, clicking on the different tracks until you see your image or video appear. Once this is done, go to the next Kdenlive wipe, and in its properties window, click on composition track, finding the one that works. In our case, both were background. Now that is set up, let us set up our tracks on the other side of the adjoining videos. On the bottom Kdenlive video track, right-click, scroll down to Insert Composition. Then scroll over to Wipe and click. Move this wipe up to the second video track. Always starting at the bottom video track of the Kdenlive timeline, inserting the wipe and moving them up will avoid having to resize the wipe. Once both of the Kdenlive wipes are in place, place the timeline marker in a good position, highlighting wipe 1, then 2, placing the same method of wipes that were placed in the previous 2. Once this is done in Kdenlive, highlight the first wipe in the properties window, finding its composition track, and do the same for the second wipe. Now notice, being we are going from 2 tracks to 3, and then 3 to 4, we have decided to use a Kdenlive color clip. In order to add a color clip, go to the Kdenlive project bin, click the drop-down menu next to the Add Clip plus symbol, and scroll down to Add Color Clip, and click. For this example, we will not change the color of the Kdenlive color clip, so click OK. Place the color clip into position. For this Kdenlive example, we have already set up the video tracks using the same process as to give you a preview of its operation. So now let's reposition our timeline marker in order to place our Kdenlive wipes in our 4-track video setup. First, choose the wipe method. We have already done this in ours. Then go through each one of the wipes to discover the proper composition track. Once this is done in Kdenlive, move your timeline marker to the next set of wipes to be set up. Like I stated earlier in the Kdenlive video, while placing wipes, start on the bottom video, track, right-click, scroll down to Add Composition, then scroll over to Wipe and click. Move the wipe up. Keep doing this until all tracks have a wipe. This will save a bit of time. If you go to one of the upper timeline video tracks and add the wipe, it will most likely expand for the whole track, and you will have to resize it. Once this is done, choose the Kdenlive wipe method for each of the wipes. Then choose the proper Kdenlive wipe composition track for each wipe. Next is our rendered project. We hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber, ringing that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The beginning and the end of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.